Hey guys, so I kind of wanted to just do like a 3-month catch up on my lip enhancement. As you guys know, I did get lip injections about 3 months ago, and I did say that I was going to do another video on it once I'd hit the 3-month mark, if I'm correct. So anyway, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So when I look at my lips without any lipstick on, it just feels and looks to me like it's going back to its normal state and normal size. But when I put lip liner and lipstick on, I can most definitely still see where it has been enhanced, and I can definitely see that my lips are a lot bigger than what they used to be. But it's just not as noticeable without any lipstick on, unless I'm really looking at, I can see it up there like in the Cupid's bow, but it's not as apparent in the bottom lip. So in order for it to be really apparent like how I like it, I have to be wearing my lipsticks. And that's fine, because the lady did say it was going to take between, was it 3 and 6 or 3 and 9 months before it starts to dissolve itself and starts to break down. What I have noticed, which is a little bit worrying to me, is that there's just one little area right here. Whenever any pressure is applied, it is like a dull pain. So I wouldn't feel it normally as I'm just talking or just doing anything, but when I apply my lip liner, lipstick or whatever, I can feel this really dull pain. And the thing is, there's no, like, I can't feel a spot. I was wondering, is it a spot that's coming up, or I can't feel anything? Because you know, like if you get a spot in a place where you don't normally get a spot, it will hurt a lot more. I don't feel a spot coming up, and I don't get spots on my lips anyway, so it's just kind of really strange. Like, why does it hurt there? I don't want to say that it's because of the lip injections. I don't want to say that because I don't know for sure, but I'm going to do some research, and I'm going to contact the lady who did my lips for me and ask her if that is normal. Is it part of the dissolving process where it's being broken down in my lip, but then why don't I feel it anywhere else? I don't know. I'm going to do some research, and I'm going to contact her, and I'll let you know what is said. But aside from that small thing, which as I said, I cannot say is simply down to the lip injections, because I don't know for certain. I don't want to make a statement which ends up not being true, because that's not nice. But aside from that, I would get lip injections done again. I think I would take the time, or I would get the person to take a little bit more time in putting the enhancements where I want them to be, rather than just generally all around. Because I see some people's lip enhancements where you can see it was basically tailored for their mouth, and then there's others whose lip injections are just generic. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, for example, Nikki Tutorials, her ones look like they were tailored for her lips. They were, you know, whoever did it looks like they actually looked at her lips and said, okay, we're going to put a tiny little bit there and more on this part. And do you know what I'm saying? Like, it really does look like it was tailored for her and her face and her lips on an individual basis. I think that's what I would want to happen the next time around. I know recently Kylie Jenner got her lips dissolved, and people are up in arms about it, because people feel like, oh, a lot of girls went out and got their lips done to look like you, and it's like, but Kylie Jenner is not like the ruler of people, and it's not up to her to make other people decide what they want to do. Of course, yes, she's an influencer at the end of the day, like really she is, and people are going to follow in her footsteps. That's not the reason why I got it done. I got it done because I wanted to get it done. I wanted to try it out, and I absolutely love it. And even though she's had her ones dissolved, I would still go back and get mine done again. So I just wanted to kind of like address that, because I know that there's a lot of talk about Kylie and what she's done with her lips of recent. Like, listen, do it, let her do her. Like, seriously, just do what makes you happy. If you want your lips bigger and you can see yourself getting your lips done, then do it if you feel like it's the right step for you. But I would say don't let anybody influence you so that you feel like you have to look like them. That's just not ultimate goal. Like, being yourself and being an individual is probably one of the best things ever. Even though, yes, we might strive to look a certain way and have a certain body type and face type and whatnot, me personally, I want things because I want it. I don't want things because other people have it or because other people want me to look a certain way. I want to look a certain way because it's going to affect my self-esteem and how I feel about me. I do think that they are starting to dissolve a little bit because they're not as big and as plump and as luscious as it was prior, but all good things must come to an end. So I might just end up putting more in, who knows? Who knows? No, I'm not saying I'm going to get like a lot bigger or anything like that. I'm just saying I might just re-up again. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.